In a global perspective, the use of finite resources is challenging. SKF is a bearing company, and our vision is a world of reliable rotation. My name is Elisabeth Stadler, and I work as environmental manager for SKF Sweden. We want to reduce friction with our bearings and thereby contribute to the reduction of the energy consumption in the world. And at the same time, we act to reduce the environmental impact from our own operations, including raw materials and components. We use steel as main material in our bearings. This is favorable as steel is highly recyclable. What's good about it is that in our production we use a significant share of high-quality recycled steel. As we use about 400,000 tons of metal every year, every opportunity to avoid using virgin materials is a step in the right direction.
We have been a partner to SKF for a very long time. As all manufacturing industries, SKF also get a lot of waste materials in the production, and they have more than 6,000 tons annually. And we recycle this material in an effective and secure way so that the material can become raw material again. With our know-how, we make sure that the recycled materials has the right size and quality required of the melters, increasing their output of new raw material. In this way, we secure the raw material supply within Sweden, reducing the need to import. Stena and SKF both have our own areas of expertise. On our own, we can't see the whole picture, but together we have all the pieces of the puzzle. We can make smart choices when purchasing materials and prevent waste, or even create new design that is more recyclable. By combining recycling and innovative design, we can use the right material and design in a product to make sure it is recyclable at the end of life, so that products can be made to be made again. They are being remade.
I believe it's the responsibility of our generation to provide future generations with good living conditions, and we can all contribute to this.